In this video, you're gonna see me drop in my eggplants, do a nice watering. I also started a few more potted elements. So I got some large plots, took a bunch of my transplants out and got those going. Had a lot of fun with the music and the editing. Hope you enjoy the video.
Ooh, I love the way you grow. My plan is the way for you. Plant you now, indicate later. All I need now is water, water. 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 Ooh, I love the way you grow. My plan is the way for you.
Green thumb gang, we got everything from cabbage, lettuce, and peppers to Georgia collard greens, yeah. I can grow anything from a seed, yeah. Pull up on me, I got what you need, yeah. It's time to grow your own food. Cause getting that shit from the government is old news. Hey, it's gardening with Goo. If you garden with me, make it do what it do. I'm in the garden 7 days a week. They say you reap what you sow, so I grow what I eat and I live off the land. So my hands get dirty, put them seeds in the ground, watch my plants start emerging. No,
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video.
Hey, yo, hey, I'm in the garden. Hey, yo.